So cancer is not just one disease, it's a collection of many different diseases, and it's characterised by an abnormal cell growth leading to proliferation in an uncontrolled way, and in some cases to metastasize. The cells don't die, they just continue to grow and divide. So a metastasis or metastasizing is when tumours spread to another part of the body beyond the primary site, and a tumour is an abnormal growth or mass of cells. There can be benign tumours which aren't cancerous and malignant tumours which are cancerous. And although it may be a bit tricky to remember sometimes, although cancer is a collection of diseases, it is not contagious. There's also a general term for a tumour. Carcinogens are agents that cause cancer or put you in an increased risk of developing cancerous cells. Some examples are things like UV radiation, smoking, poor food. And just some cancer statistics for the UK. There are almost 400,000 new cases in the UK yearly. That's around 1,000 daily. 160,000 deaths per year, which is 450 daily. And in the UK, someone's diagnosed every 2 minutes, with the highest incident rates being in the elderly and around the age of 85 and 89. Sadly, 4 in 10 cases of cancer in the UK could be prevented, which would equate to 135,000 every year.